Today we have a problem. Middle-class North America struggles more and more day in, day out to meet their expenses. It's incredible to me how much of our disposable income gets eroded just by trying to maintain our quality of life. It's an incredible challenge today for the bulk of the population. Imagine with me for a second if you could go into a program that would help develop and save you money on day-to-day shopping. You know, things that are residual like, coffee, vitamins,
gas, groceries,
things along those lines. Imagine for a second you could go into a program where not only could you have these products shipped to your house, which saves you time and gas going to get them, but it creates an income, a residual income for your family to get your dignity back, your quality of life back. You see, at some point, something's got to give for North America. At some point, there's got to be a program that helps that North American couple have a better quality of life by reducing their household expenses and increasing their household income. That's today. That's this program on this day could fundamentally change your quality of life. Imagine, as I said, that on a month-to-month basis, you have $100, $200, $300 worth of day-to-day spending you were going to spend anyways shipped to your house to save you time and energy to go get it. And all you need to do is refer 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 people, as many as you'd like, into the same program. And that's not only going to generate you enough money to cover off your monthly expenses for that particular auto ship, it'll create a residual income for your family. An income that you could use to maybe take the kids to Disney World and do something special. Maybe have that special time with your spouse or partner. Or what about paying off your debts and getting out of debt, paying down that credit card, that line of credit? See, we are planning to start a movement today, a movement that will fundamentally change the North American quality of life, a movement to create freedom, a movement to give dignity back. This is our chance to give the North American population, the middle-class population, a chance to get their dignity back without downsizing their house, downsizing their car, and downsizing their life, without them getting a part-time job on Saturdays. This is the moment. This is the movement, and we're excited to have you part of it. Thanks for joining us today.